Hello, welcome to December's Jungle Stand. Sorry we're really late. My turn.
Here, I'll help her out.
Go, honey. Alina, can you please go to the living room?
Here we go.
Jungle Stand.
Alright.
This is a good one.
What's Jungle's Town?
Alina,
Mom?
It's a box full of delicious treats that we're not
come
sharing.
over here.
Okay. Can I join you?
Okay, here we are.
Here
Can I join
we
you
have a
guys?
house. No, let me do it.
Dad,
Channel.
can I join you?
Sit with mommy.
Whatever, Jose.
Can I join you, Mom?
Okay, come behind me. Whoa! Santa's favorite sweets. That's what it's called. Go ahead.
Alright, here we go.
And they're
This
just
is
samples of different things. Welcome.
It's Santa.
Yeah, this is our daughter Alina. There's something magical about experiencing a taste for the very first time. It happens only once, but it says a lot about who you are, where you're from, and where you want to go. Experience magic. Discover you. Happy holidays, festive tasters. In case you didn't know, Santa can be a bit mischievous. He also has a very sweet tooth, and even though Mrs. Claus has told him time and time again to cut down on his sweets, he just can't help it. He loves you so much and wants to share his faves with you.
Go to the living room if you're gonna cry.
Oh my god, I'm so excited for this one. So, the first thing is chocolate truffles.
And they come with crackers.
For your, just to,
Cleanse your palate.
as you
I
pop one in
assume.
your mouth, notice the cool sensation. Very unique.
Sweets.
Yeah.
Absolute sustainable source chocolates dusted in a premium cocoa powder, smooth texture, intense, divine flavor, and lingering finish. These are melt in your mouth good. I'm excited. Here.
Alright.
That's really good.
Oh.
Ooh, can I taste one?
I don't know how to pronounce this. Furfurnoose?
Mm.
Small round biscuits that are popular during the holiday. Small
I guess these are
round
good.
biscuits that are popular during the holidays in Germany, Denmark, and the Netherlands. That special spice flavor comes from a combination of nutmeg, allspice, cloves, and cinnamon coated with powdered sugar. Traditionally enjoyed by dipping in wine. We don't got wine. Oh,
Mama.
I know I can't see it because of the light. Sorry, guys. Good gingerbread. Like, kind of a too much allspice for me. Or nutmeg.
Probably why they dip it in wine.
Yeah, it was
Okay.
really sweet.
Ooh.
Shortbread cookies. No, Alina, put that down.
I gotta get
Put it. Go. Go. My daughter's being bad today. She didn't want dinner.
Oh, Mommy.
Luscious shortbread cookies coated with luscious dark chocolate. The sprinkled non-petties add texture and flair. The crispness of the cookies and the dark chocolate make this especially addictive. It's not sweet enough to make you stop. Luckily, you're here to taste. I wish I knew what company it was. Oh, I feel bad. The lighting's really crappy.
No.
You're good. Okay. Dark chocolate aside. Oh my god, I shouldn't be eating these stuff.
It's so good.
Chocolate is always good for diabetes.
By far the best reviewed taste in the bar. The center is a sweetened blueberry juice piece made from a blend of acai berry juice, blueberry juice, and other selected fruit juices. It's then surrounded with a smooth dark chocolate coating. This taste tends to convert non-aficionados of dark chocolate. Mmm.
Good.
I've had these before. I'm pretty sure this is the Costco brand. It's really good.
Oh.
I'm pretty sure that's Costco brand. It has to be. Maybe.
Just skip it. Skip it.
No.
This is green, yellow, purple. Oh, the dots. Sorry. Peppermint waffle cookies. What's the holiday season without candy canes? These are bite-sized waffle cookies coated on top with chocolate and sprinkled with peppermint candy cane pieces. Santa loves the crunch and peppermint aftertaste. I'm excited because I love anything minty.
I'm not a huge fan of
This is weird.
candy cane, yeah.
It's like candy cane with chocolate.
Yeah.
I'm
Not
probably
my
not going
thing.
to try this next time.
Mom, I guess. Mom,
Oh, it's kind of weird.
I guess.
Chocolate orange sticks. These are orange flavored jelly sticks covered with dark chocolate. The jelly has a strong citrus peel flavor. The sweetness and tartness are supposed to complement the dark chocolate. An interesting